Hey, here we are, and I haven't done one of these for quite a while, so I'm gonna do one. It's an unboxing and first impression, and the one that I've got today, I'm gonna jump straight into it, is one that I have smelled before. It's this one right here. It is Dunhill Century, and I did smell this once before at a department store a couple of years ago, or yes, it was a couple of years ago now, and I came home. I didn't think much of it at the beginning. Thought, oh yeah, it's nice. It's kind of pleasant. I get a lot of jasmine. So it's a jasmine tea. That's what I got out of this. And I came home and it kept on developing, and it kept on developing. And every now and then I just get wafts of it coming up from wherever I had sprayed it on my arm, and it's been on my mind for quite a while. And it's also really inexpensive. So here we are, unboxing it. So here we go. I think I got the hang of doing these now, because I can see, usually off camera, I usually just tear the crap out of it, but oh, well, that didn't go well either. I thought I could tear it through the seam, but there it is, and it's gone. All right, here we go. Oh, lovely. Okay, let me give you a good look at the box. It's nothing special, but it's not bad either. They've put a little bit of effort into it with some indentations. That's nice. Okay, open it up, and well, look at that. It's got little doors. It's got little doors. That's cute. And the bottle is actually quite nice. Check it out. Check that out. It's got little dimples on the side. I'm not sure what this is supposed to resemble. And this has also got a magnetic cap. I was also almost going to drop it. It's got a magnetic cap, which is odd because I mean, you can hold it by the magnetic cap, but it's too round to actually get a good grip on it. But you can just pry it off. It's too, oh, there it is. Okay, no smell as yet other than factory smell. So let's give it a test on the arm. Let's go. Nope. There we go. Not bad. The atomizer. Yep, there it is. I just get jasmine tea out of this, like a really beautiful jasmine tea that I had my father-in-law bring us when they were visiting from China, and he had brought probably really high quality stuff, and every time that we made jasmine tea, it was so fragrant. And this is kind of taking me back to it, but I'm going to let this sort of develop a little bit more on my arm, and I'll come back to it probably with a more in-depth review. But so far it's nice. It's really pleasant. It's not the normal run-of-the-mill kind of scent that you would get, so it doesn't really smell like a fragrance or a cologne or something like that. But it is odd. Hey, it is an odd cacophony of top notes. Initial burst gives you that sort of jasmine tea hit, and then getting a little bit further into it, it's still at the top. But underneath it, if you really dig your nose in, you can smell a very fragrant cardboard. That's how I'm going to put it. It's a very fragrant cardboard. Is that pleasant? Maybe. To some people. But anyway, there it is, Dunhill. Do I recommend it? Probably not yet as a blind buy. If you could test it, and it's not for everybody. And one awesome thing I just sort of noticed is that if you have a look, you cannot see the straw. It's almost invisible, the straw itself. So it doesn't actually look like it has one. You can only see it under certain light. That's very pretty and very thoughtful. And I like, wacky, wonderful sort of bottle designs, which you don't get to see too much of because everyone's just going the straight standard bottle route. But this, pretty good. Something else is coming out now. What is that? very strange, very, very strange note. I haven't actually looked into the note breakdown of this fragrance, so I'm going in blind, but this is a very strange and unfamiliar note. Or what I get from it is very strange and unfamiliar, other than the thing that's sort of hovering above the top, which is that jasmine tea that I get out of it. Underneath it, what is that? It's like I said, it's a fragrant cardboard, but wet neroli. But it's not. I think I'm going to make myself dizzy doing that. But anyway, so far, like I said, first impressions usually don't impress me very much. So I'll have to wear this a few more times and report back to you all. But Dunhill, Century, there it is. And as always, thanks for watching.